In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix chat disabled in Roblox. If you cannot type or see chat messages in Roblox, make sure to follow along. First, log in to your Roblox account. Once you are logged in, stay on the main page. Now click on the gear icon and from the menu select settings. This will open your account settings page, and inside this look for privacy and content restriction and click on it to open the menu. Now find the communication section, click on communication, and under this look for experience chat. Set it to everyone. If it was set to no one, changing it to everyone will fix the issue. The changes will save automatically. After changing the setting, close Roblox, reopen it, join a game and test the chat. In most cases, chat should now work normally. If the problem still isn't fixed, the final step is to contact the support. So you need to go to Roblox support form, choose the correct device type, select a help category related to chat or account settings, explain that your chat is disabled, provide your username, and Roblox support will review your issue and respond by email. That's it for today's video. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.